Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hobbies Finder with another new video. In today's video I will be sharing with you a most amazing DIY jewelry tray made out of air dry clay. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. for watching this video till the end. I hope you must have enjoyed watching this video. Do try this DIY at home and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. Until then, stay safe, stay connected, keep watching Hobbies Finder. And friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And if you like this video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family.